Nearly 1 million people die every year from counterfeit drugs. Haqean provides the most user-friendly anti-counterfeiting solution to meet the engineering challenges of tomorrow. Our systems can tag a wide variety of products and can be used by both manufacturers and investigators to instantly verify the authenticity of drugs. The manufacturer who implement Haqean's anti-counterfeiting solution can store the physically unclonable information of each item at the supply chain. This will ensure product safety and efficiency. Our team has created a technique called SID-Q, which is a secure identification using quantum randomness and optical imaging. Quantum random number generator computes the unpredictable behavior of photons that makes true randomness. Along with the optical scanner, it produces the physically unclonable function of each units. Pharma manufacturers, the hospitals, and even the end users can make use of our technology. Substantial number of direct and enabled jobs for the future depends on the mastery of optics and photonics. And I'm quite excited about the way that it is going to thrive for the betterment of the society. Before coming to Luminate, we had a prototype that was built using low-cost electronic components that was primarily fit for Indian market. After coming to Luminate, we had to start from the scratch, and the sessions here are incredibly helpful and helped us refine in our offering. It was only during this time that we came up with the concept of an anti-counterfeiting solution using quantum randomness. An application with QRNG is much more scalable for the future than a standalone QRNG device. From the Luminate experience, we have learned that the customer discovery is a very integral part for the establishing product market fit. The future requires quantum-safe solutions, and we are one of the first movers in this space and have established ourselves as pioneers in the post-quantum security.